Hello and welcome to our film Mixologist. The place on the internet thingy where you need gloves to work on the stuff. Case in point, this unit that I bought for a very cheap price in a lot of Zenith carbs. Now, I've probably done this kind of many weeks ago. This carb came in the lot with the 4A kind of demo derby carb, and this is a Zenith for I think it's an Austin 10 car, and it's actually a nice little unit. So I reckon we might be able to get this carb fixed. I'm gonna obviously show you a bit closer what we're working with. Okay, so as you can see, you got your fuel bowl here. This is your idle mixture screw. The reason why I'm having gloves is because this is all kind of quite oily, and the reason for this is because before kind of shooting this video some time ago, I completely doused this unit in a mixture of acetone and automatic transmission fluid. The reason for that is because I wanted to get all the bolts to be able to be undone freely. Let's say everything seems to be moving freely here, so I think we have a good base to work on, and let's see if we can get this unit disassembled. So let's see where we're at. Do you know what? I think I'm starting to get a bit of a liking for this unit already, and the reason why I like it is because of its simplicity. So if you look here, you can see in there the kind of the two jets. You've got your air corrector here. Obviously your float, I think it's a bit dented, and obviously the fuel is metered through this device here that goes kind of like so, like that. You can see it there. And actually this unit it's pretty damn simple, so I'm to be honest, I'm liking it already. So let's see if we can put it in the wash and degrease it as much as we can, and just carry on with the process. So this doesn't happen every day, but on this particular occasion, I have really taken a shining to this unit. I really like the carbs, especially because of their simplicity and their ease of maintenance. So I'll show you now how it looks after my initial cleaning, that I've got all the bits and bobs for this carb, like they're ready to assemble. Okay, so look at this main body. I mean, this is made of bronze. This is a bronze casting, which is beautiful. And look, the throttle now looks really good. Obviously you've got the choke here. It's at 21, and now it looks, you know, much better than it was before. And also the jets, very important with the jets. There you can see there that they are very clean, and the fuel bowl is clean because the obviously the float goes there, and I've got to put the air corrector, which is here. Look at the quality of the idle mixture screw. It's really good. And this is like the auxiliary venturi, or so to speak. It cleaned up really well. Again, the needle and seat was absolutely fine. So basically this unit is ready to be reassembled, and actually it's quite refreshing having carbs like this that are quite simple, but then again effective for what they were meant to do. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to just quickly slam this unit together, button it up, and then I'll show you the final result. Okay, so what do you know? This carb really came together, well, exceedingly quickly actually. And that's it. So this unit is absolutely beautiful now. Obviously fully rebuilt, it will work absolutely fine. Ready to be installed in a car. The only thing that I wanted to do as a kind of epilogue for this video, look at the obviously the throttle opening, and let's try and superpose that with a kind of 850 Holley double pumper. Look at this. Let's see if I can make them like that. If you can see them like that, there is a little bit of a difference, isn't it? This is just for laughs though. So anyway, but I really like this unit kind of as it is. I think it's a very simple carb, and actually, you know, a beautiful design, very good quality material, and a relatively easy unit to work on. So I want to say thank you very much for watching this episode. I really enjoyed working with this unit. So if you got any questions, put it down in the comments, and if not, I will, well, then see you on the next episode. Thank you.